Did you know some chapters of the Quran began with letters that are not read as words but letter by letter? These are called Muqattaat, one of the unique masteries of the Quran. Okay, so what does the mean of Muqattaat? That means these letters do not form a word. Each letter is read individually. Example: Alif Lam Mim. It is not read as Alam. Alam. This is not Alam. Remember my 3 key points of chapter number 3, Huruf Muqatta'at. Read each letter separately. Do not join them. Do not rush. These 3 are the key points which I have shared with you. Okay, stretching the sound. Some letters must be stretched for 3, 4 or 5 seconds. In the next video, on an advanced level, I will teach you where you will stretch a letter for 3 seconds, for 4 seconds, for 5 seconds. Just you have to focus on my video. So, for example, Alif Lam Mim. This stretching is a part of correct tajweed. So, let's we begin chapter number 3. The first letter is Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim. Did you focus? Lam and Mim. I stretched these letters. Alif Lam Mim. Next. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Recite each letter separately. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Do not rush. Recite it with calm, clarity and respect. Alif Lam Ra. Alif Lam Ra. This sign, it shows the stretching of letters. But on Ra, around Ra, there is no any sign. So that's why we are not stretching Ra. Otherwise this is the sign of stretching. This is the sign of stretching. That's why we are stretching this letter. Alif Lam Ra. Then Alif Lam Mim Ra. Okay. One thing also which is too important according to the chapter number 3, do not break your breath during the pronunciation of these letters. From first letter to last letter, you should maintain your breath. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Then Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Now you are focusing. These are 5 letters, so do not break your breath. Read these letters separately, but do not break your breath, my dear viewers. So, listen it carefully. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Do you know? This is Ha and Ya. These are 2 letters. Ha and Ya. Here is a sign which shows that stretch these letters for 1 second. Ha, Ya. Otherwise, the other signs which show that stretch the letters for 5 seconds. So that's why. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Then Taha. Taha. Which we will stretch for 1 second. Taha. Taha. Then Tasim Mim. Tasim Mim. Then Tasin. Stretch the letter Sin. Tasin. Repeat after me. Repeat. Tasin. Then Yasin. We are practicing the letter which is the opening letter of the chapter of Surah Yasin, which is called the heart of Quran. So, wow. Yasin. Then, Sad. Sad. Then, Hamim. Hamim. This is the sign of stretching one for 1 second, and this is for 5 seconds. So Hamim. Hamim. Ain Sin Qaf. These are 5 letters. Do not think that it's tough. It's so tough. No. Everything needs practice, and practice makes a person perfect. So please try after me. Hamim Ain Sin Qaf. Then Qaf. Qaf. Then Noon. Noon. A student who learns Muqattaat correctly learns how to recite the Quran with beauty and discipline. So my dear viewers, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and we also offer online Quran classes. Contact us on the number given below, and always I request you drop one comment from where are you.